Hello, my name is Angela Butler, and today I will be demonstrating a couple of ballet combinations. They are Glissade Assembly, Glissade Jete, Tombe Pa, and Chasse. First, I will demonstrate Glissade Assembly. Now, glissade means to glide or to slide. Okay, and assembly means to, once you make your jump, you're up in your air and your legs are coming together. So first I'll start into fifth position and come to the side, fifth position, arms in bras, nice, straight and tall. And so first what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide. The leg comes up here, transfer into back position.